Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Automotive Multimeter. We are going to check out top 10 best automotive multimeter in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this automotive multimeter, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Klein Tools MM300 Multimeter, Digital Voltmeter, AC/DC Voltage Meter, Current, Resistance, Battery Tests, Diodes and Continuity, 600V. Multimeter measures up to 600V AC/DC voltage, 10 at DC current and 2 ohms resistance. Voltage tester for batteries, diodes and continuity. Built to withstand a 3.3 foot, 1 meter drop and withstand daily wear and tear on the job site. For use in basic and control.
Top 9.
Innova MS8233D Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter Voltmeter Ohm Volt Amp Tester with backlight LCD display test leads. 100% safety assurance, built-in double fuse, overload protection on all ranges. Auto-ranging tester, accurately measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance, frequency, continuity, diode, etc. Backlight display, designed with 3.5-digit LCD display and backlight, showing the reading clearly in low light areas. Special points: data hold, maximum value hold, function switching, auto power OFF. Sampling speed, 3 times per second.
Top 8.
AstroAI Digital Multimeter TRMS, 6000 counts voltmeter ohmmeter auto-ranging tester. Accurately measures voltage, current, resistance, diodes, continuity, duty cycle, capacitance, temperature for automotive. Versatile digital multimeter. Accurately measures AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, continuity, and temperature. Thoughtful design. Support data hold. Large LCD backlit screen, auto shutoff and hanging magnet, and kickstand make the process of measurements easier. Professional level is reflected in some features include auto-ranging capability and true RMS for measuring both AC current and voltage. Suitable for many occasions. This multimeter is a golden...
Top 7.
AstroAI Multimeter 2000 counts digital multimeter with DC/AC voltmeter and ohm volt amp tester. Measures voltage, current, resistance. Tests live wire, continuity. VERSATILE digital MULTINETER. Accurately measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode. This multimeter is a really useful tool for solving industrial and household electrical issues. Suitable for household outlets, fuses, batteries, including vehicles, automotive circuit troubleshooting, charging system, testing electronics in cars, etc. Troubleshooting with accuracy. This multimeter has a sampling speed of 2 times per second. Built in a backlight LCD display with 3.5 digits, 1999 count.
Top 6.
KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter with case, DC/AC voltmeter, ohm volt amp test meter, and continuity test diode voltage tester for household outlet. Automotive battery test, anti-burn with double fuses. Customer service. KAIWEETS provides a lifetime after-sales service and technical support. This digital multimeter is included with 2 AAA batteries, pre-installed, comes with a carrying case and 2 decent cable leads. Multifunction. This multimeter can test AC/DC voltage, DC current, cannot for AC current, resistance, continuity, diode measurement. Sensitive test. Please make sure the rotary switch is located at the right
Top 5.
AstroAI Digital Multimeter, TRMS 6000 counts auto-ranging voltage tester voltmeter, measuring AC/DC voltage current, capacitance, resistance, frequency, temperature, continuity diodes with NCV. Wide AP applications. This AstroAI digital multimeter features 6,000 counts auto ranging for accurate measurement of AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, diodes, and temperature. This multimeter is a really useful tool for electrician test, household use, automotive, industrial electrical problems. The LED intelligent jack. Switch the dial and the LED lights on and the jacks will shine accordingly. Switch the dial to choose the function you need. The corresponding LED light flashes to tell you which jack you should choose. A large LCD backlight display and flashlight on the back ensures easy use in dimly lit places.
Top 4.
Innova 3340 Professional Automotive Digital Multimeter. Designed to pinpoint engine problems. Tests alternator diodes, duty cycle, solenoids, breaker points, wiring, switches, and more. Features auto ranging, auto shutoff, and overload protection. Measures up to 15 amps for device testing.
Top 3.
Klein Tools MM600 Multimeter, Digital Auto Ranging, AC/DC voltage and current, temperature, frequency, continuity, more, 1000 V, orange. Multimeter measures up to 1000 V AC/DC voltage, 10 AC/DC current and 40 ohms resistance plus temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, test diodes and continuity. Digital Multimeter has KAIWEETS600V/KAIWEETS 1000V safety rating. Built to endure a 6.6 foot, 2 meters, drop and withstand daily wear and tear on the job site. Low battery indicator and easily accessible battery and fuse replacement compartment. For use in basic and controlled electron.
Top 2.
KAIWEETS digital multimeter with case, DC-AC voltmeter, ohm volt amp test meter, and continuity test diode voltage tester for household outlet, automotive battery test, anti-burn with double fuses. Customer service. KAIWEETS provides a lifetime after-sale service and technical support. This digital multimeter is included with 2 AAA batteries, pre-installed, comes with a carrying case and 2 decent cable leads. Multifunction. This multimeter can test AC/DC voltage, DC current, cannot for AC current, resistance, continuity, diode measurement. Sensitive test. Please make sure the rotary switch is located at the right test range. Data hold function. Backlight function helps you test clearly and quickly in a
Top 1.
KAIWEETS digital multimeter TRMS 6,000 counts voltmeter auto ranging fast accurately measures voltage current amp resistance diodes continuity duty cycle capacitance temperature for automotive. Wide APP applications. KAIWEETS HD 118 a multimeter measures up to 600 V AC/DC voltage, 10 AC/DC current and 60 ohms resistance. Electrical tester also tests temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, wire on-off, and test diodes and continuity. Easy operation. Switch the dial to the function you need, and the LED lights on the jacks will shine accordingly. To plug in the leads is easy. Auto-ranging saves you the hassle of having to know which range of value. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.